Hi friends, welcome back to Deliciously Jabas. Today I'm going to make an authentic and exotic home-style chicken dish that's ideal for the cold weather and sure would warm your palate. It's a Mangalorean delicacy called chicken ghee roast, and let's quickly get into the video. In a dry hot pan, take 5 red chilies, 5 Kashmiri chilies, a tablespoon of peppercorns, a tablespoon of fennel seeds or saunf, a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, a tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi, 4 cloves or lavang. Toast these seeds on a low flame for 5 minutes or until the seeds begin to splutter. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjabas.com. Our whole spices are toasted well. Remove from the heat and cool it down to room temperature. Once it's cooled, transfer the toasted spices into the mixer jar. You can either dry blend or wet blend the spices. Today I am going to dry blend them. This is a traditional recipe from the kitchen of Mangalorean households. Now cover the jar and blend to a fine powder or fine paste. Our spice powder is finely ground. Keep this aside. Take a kilo of cleaned and washed chicken into a large mixing bowl. Add half a cup of curd to the chicken. Then add 1/4 cup of tamarind water, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your preference. And finally add the ground spices. Now using your hands, mix this thoroughly until the masala coats to the chicken completely. This dry roasted whole spices ground into an aromatic masala will give this dish a vibrant and distinct flavor. Try this recipe in your kitchen and I'll be more than happy if you share your experiences in the comment section below. You can see how the masala is coated nicely to the chicken. Now cover the bowl with a lid and marinate the chicken for 1 to 2 hours. Now take 3 tablespoons of ghee in a hot pan. Add 1 onion that's finely chopped. Saute this onion on a high flame for 2 minutes or until it's pink and translucent. I'm sure you'll agree with me. The aroma from the ghee is heavenly. You can also follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. You can see how our onion is nice and done. This is the consistency I want. It's time to add the chicken marinade. Add the marinated chicken into the ghee and onion mixture. A combination of succulent pieces of chicken marinated and cooked in a robust masala and in rich ghee will literally have your family asking for more. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix in the chicken mixture well. A small fun fact for you. The origin of this dish goes back to a small town named Kundapur that's close to Mangalore. You will find this exotic chicken dish almost in every Mangalore restaurant menu. Now cover the chicken and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Look at the vibrant color in the dish. It's fiery red, tangy, and spicy with an unmistakable flavor of ghee will have you drooling. And I can't wait to taste this dish. Again, cover the chicken with the lid and cook on a low flame for 20 minutes. Remember to stir the dish every 5 minutes as we do not want the dish to burn. As you can see, our gravy has begun to thicken. Now cook the chicken in the medium flame until the gravy thickens. Also add a tablespoon of jaggery and mix well. Remember, the consistency of the gravy should be between dry and semi-gravy. Then add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. And this curry leaves and the masala in the chicken, they make a great combination and will elevate the flavors of the dish. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. See, this is the consistency that we want. Now transfer the dish to a serving bowl. Garnish with some curry leaves and serve it hot with any rice varieties or any Indian bread varieties or dosa. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jabba signing off. Bye-bye.